Yes, yes, yes. Top fan of the week. Action speaks louder than words. Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel will always be here for the young lad because we believe in him and we know he gets a lot of fight from dancehall. We stick by him through music. We've supported his charity ambassador work with COVID, and we've been here buying out his merch, the ones that we can actually get because they're always out of stock. And we will continue to support him on our channel. The difference between us and them is that we go to the concerts, we purchase the merch, and we communicate with the team. So, big up Alkaline, big up Detta, big up Vendetta. Real knows real, action speaks louder than words. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and tune in to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. Bless.